How to convert a PDF. Open your PDF file in UPDF and click on Tools. Then, click More in the panel to access different output formats. You can choose the format you need, such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, images, and more. When you choose Word, you'll see two layout options. Retain Word flowing style and retain Word text box style. These same layout options are also available when exporting to PowerPoint. For Excel, UPDF provides conversion settings specifically for Excel workbook. If you choose to convert to an image, you can select from multiple formats. For formats like CSV, text, HTML, rich text format, and CML, simply choose the desired format and adjust the settings as needed. Once everything is set, click the Apply button. Your file will be converted in just a few seconds. If you are looking for a reliable PDF converter, give UPDF a try. It's free to start.